Hello my beautiful nail lovers, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time and location. If you are new here, you are most welcome to Osi Hair Lounge. This channel is your go-to destination for latest nail designs and hairstyles. So if you love our beautiful nails and hairs, please do join this family by smashing the subscribe button. Turn on your bell notification so that you don't miss our videos as soon as we upload them, so that you'll be the very first person to watch our video as soon as we drop them on this channel. Thank you so much as you join us. So my ladies, as you can see today, we have carefully selected most stylish and trending long square nail designs for my cute women, for my beautiful ladies. You guys, today's video is mind-blowing. Please take your time to watch it from beginning to the end. If you're a lover of square nail shapes, take your time to watch it from beginning to the end. And just when I say you must definitely fall in love with the amazing collections that we have put together just for you guys. You know, we have it in different colors, different nail arts, different designs that you will love. So all you do is to just watch, share to your loved ones so they can also come and look for their style ideas. Should in case this is not actually what you want, maybe you're looking for other nail types, you're looking for other nail shapes, feel free to go into our channel. We have varieties. I mean, we have beautiful videos here, you know, beautiful nails video and hairstyles as well. So in case you're looking for hairstyles, just go into our channel and explore more beautiful designs. If you have any other nail ideas that you want us to bring to this channel, please do drop it in the comment section. Trust me, we'll be there to reply you. And also remember to support this channel by liking our videos. Liking this video will make it to reach wider people, so please like it so that to reach wider audience. Thank you as you support us. God bless you guys. To you, my returning viewers, you're the reason why we are always showing up. Thanks for your support. Thanks for the engagement. Thanks for the massive sharing. Trust me, we really appreciate you guys. Keep supporting us, keep watching our videos. See you guys in the next video. Bye.